Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MsJaniece, and I am looking hella plasticky, but I already looked inside of the box this time, so I will be doing some eyeshadow. Yay, everybody. I got my mic and my lighting set up, so if y'all see me looking down or over here or something, just know I'm looking at myself on the camera. But before we even get started, because I'm going to give y'all a little ASMR, right? And I know it's a moisturizer in here, that's why I got this. And if I look hella angry, it's just the mask. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and we are going to get into this video. 1 second. Y'all listen. I want to cry. I do want to show y'all real quick what I used. I got this from Walmart. So it's this little thing. So while I pick my little face, yo, I am so geeked. I finally got the light and everything. I told y'all I'm in the midst of moving, so like videos prior to the light, and I'm not even about to use, I'm not gonna even act like I'm about to use them or anything. All right, so face is nice and clear now. I think I got everything. And I know y'all probably like, where the bonnet? Your girl got her inches out, but we're gonna talk about that later. All right, so y'all know what time it is. And last video I messed up and I said that was August box. This is actually August box. So I got it a week later. I already peeked in here and August got some good shit. This box is still about the same as the other box, same like, you know, but this one actually feels a lot heavier, and we'll go through everything. But first, since I just peeled a thin layer of my skin off, I want to moisturize and everything before I actually put foundation and everything on. So they gave me GLAMGLOW MoISTURETRIP, okay, and this retails for $54. It is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation skin. It's definitely irritated. I don't know if y'all can tell. Release visible redness and optimizes the skin barrier defense against environmental assault. This soothing formula will with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress. Like I said, this retails for $54 and it comes in a container like this. So let me open it up. It does have a green tint to it. Don't really smell like nothing, but I'm gonna throw this on my face real quick, and then I'm gonna throw on some makeup and stuff like my base. I'm gonna leave my eyes regular, but I'm gonna throw on some base and stuff, and I'll be right back with y'all. Oh, and actually before I do that, I lied again. There's actually some brow things in here, so I actually like to do my brows and stuff before I do like makeup. My face is, we gonna see if that help with irritated skin, because y'all know when y'all peel off like a mask, especially those black masks, how it like kind of burn a little bit. So I put a little thin layer on, maybe like a maybe like 3 peas or so size, and put it on there. So I have 2 brow products in here. So I have the REALHER AM Inspiring Brow Defining brow pen. Here we go. Stay in school, guys. Stay in school. I have the where's that? Yeah. Okay. So definer brow pencil, and it comes like this in a cute little box or whatnot. It don't want to focus. Is it gonna focus? There we go. So it comes in this little box. This long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual hair-like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formula glides beautifully and naturally on skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any changes you face in life. So I guess it's good for protesting. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so this retails for $16. That's what Jackie says. She be like dollars. And it got like a little rose gold and black, you know. So of course comes simple like this. Got the spoolie. I got the spoolie on one side, and you got where your pencil is on the other side. Now this one, it does come up. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Will it focus? If y'all can see it, but I'm going to, let's watch it real quick. So I don't know. Let me try that again so y'all can see. Okay, there we go. So y'all can actually see the color. There we go. You can actually see the color. So it is like brown. I like darker, what's the names, but we're gonna use this real quick. Since it says it's hair like, oh, okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. It is waxy, I can feel that. Y'all know I don't like super crazy brows either, unless I tint. So I don't know, look. Like I ain't even put no concealer or nothing on. Shit. Y'all might have did something with that. Look at this brow. It's all, it's all helpless. And look at this one. She like, you feel me? And it's not too much. It's just, it literally just, no, I'm sucky with this one. So let's see how easy it is to be ambidextrous. I'm low-key shook. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I'm not, listen, I like doing my eyebrows. Like sometimes, you know, the thickness and stuff. But sometimes I like them to look regular. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I like them to look real regular and not too like snatched. And I feel like this did it. Oh, shit. Okay. All right. So enough of that one. So let's try the other one. This is from Milk Makeup. It's the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. It is a tinted vegan brown gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. And this retails for $20. Now, y'all, you know, a lot of people talk about milk and stuff, and I think I've seen a couple people actually discuss this particular product. So let's see what it looks like. Did I tell y'all it costs what? 20 bucks. So you get about this much product. Focus, baby. There we go. Get this. So it's somewhat of a small. So my eyebrows already look good, but for the sake of testing, like I'm gonna test it. So let me know if y'all know something different down there. See something different down. Uh-oh. I don't know. It darkened them up for sure. Yeah, I would look at this like a brow gel. Don't want to do a hold it in place. Did it say anything about holding them in place? It just say a fiber. So you can see it darkened it up for sure. This eye, it darkened it up. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at the first thing. Brows are done then. So yeah, I'm gonna go on and put my base and stuff on so I can get into these to this eyeshadow palette and these Morphe brushes. I've never used Morphe brushes. I've always used like e.l.f. and like Wet n Wild and stuff. So this shit better be amazing for the price that these brushes be costing. Okay, so I'll be right back with a nice amount of makeup on, and like I said, we're gonna do the eyes and test out this palette that I got in here since I actually looked at the box this time. Okay, so there we go with that. We have the I Got This kit from Morphe. It has 4 different brushes in here, and what it says about this is the I Got This brush set. Oh, the babes. Just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off that gorgeous, all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweet. Collection includes the oval shadow brush, the Pro Firm blending crease brush, the tapered mini blending brush, and the angled line brush. And these retail for $12. So I guess Morphe isn't expensive as I thought it was. So I am going to be using those in conjunction with this Teddy Boy palette that I have. It is by Butter London. It says a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring a highly versatile cool tone neutral hues, created an array of looks with matte shimmer metallic that complements any skin tone. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry mirrored compact. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Pretty cute. Oh, it has the shades in the back. Okay, so I'm going to do, and oh, it opens up like a little book. Look. So it opens up like that. I thought it was gonna be like one of them Kylie palettes, I ain't gonna lie. So it says good looking darling, so it compliments you. Okay, so we got 9 shades. It's let me see, I'll read it like this. I have Freddie, which is that purple looking one, Simon, Mick. Second row, well, middle row is Francis, Billy, Nigel. Third row is Archie, Graham, and Rupert. Let me see, what is this? It has to be a homage of the Teddy Boys of the 1950s British underground. So it must be some type of band. And so we're gonna use Graham, Billy, and Archie, which are these 3. So this one, and Archie is gonna be our inner. So I'm going to, let's see. What do I want to grab? I'll try this one. Which one is this? This is, and it doesn't really have like the names on the Morphe brush. How some people are always like, this is Morphe 752 head ass. So I am going to go into that one. Going to Graham. So okay. So you do get a little pigmentation going on. Let me see if I can get her to focus. You do get a little pigmentation up on there. So I'm gonna pop her onto the outside. This brush ain't gonna do it. We gonna get the bigger one. Okay. So you can really see it on this one. It is a lot of fallout, but hey. All right, so they look about the same to me. I did get a little bit right there. I wonder if I can blend that out or something. I probably can blend it out though. There it goes. It's pretty much gone, but okay. And I got that little fallout there. So like I said, we're gonna do something simple on the simple side because I do have somewhere to go. Like I said, Billy. So I'm gonna get this flat brush and I'm gonna see how it goes on not wet first because it is on the like metallic. It is on the metallic side. And then let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that went on fairly easy. I'm going to create a fake crease, cut crease. So I think with this we're gonna just take Archie. Come on, Archie. And I'm taking that first brush we used that I didn't like, and I'm just gonna pop it right on in there. kind of blend them together. There you go. So I'm gonna complete the other eye and I'll be back. I'm gonna give you my recommendations on everything. Probably do the rest of my face. I don't know yet. I might just take this shit off, but yeah, I'll be right back with like my review on everything and if I would keep or buy this stuff. So here's the finished look, and okay, I'm digging it. I put that green on my bottom lash line, that Rupert. Everything looks really good. I'll be sure, like everything that I didn't mention, of course, in the box, I'll be sure to link it below. But I think it came out pretty good. Far as these shadows, they're pigmented, okay? Because you can definitely see. Y'all had to get up for a second, be a mom. Y'all know how that is, but like y'all know I'm moving anyway. So if you hear them in the background, you just gonna hear them in the background. Sorry. But yeah, I see me looking down. It's pretty pigmented. I put other stuff on and everything, but for the most part, this is it. But I like these. Like I said, they're pretty pigmented. I really didn't have any issue with them blending out or anything like that. That brown, like I like that brown. I'm gonna definitely use that brown because I haven't had a brown that is that pigmented before. The brushes, I mean, maybe I don't know how to use them. Right, but I did like this one. I liked it, this one with the like boar hair or whatever. I liked it, that one, but I just noticed that it's gonna really stain. As far as, let me see, this moisturizer, y'all know, like I said in the last one, I'm really getting into skincare, so I definitely will be using that. And I will actually say, when I was doing my makeup, my face didn't hurt as much, so maybe that's what the hemp did in that. And y'all know when I put it up there, that's gonna be a daily thing for me. What else? The eyebrow products, I think the Kush one, I'm probably gonna use that like if I don't feel like doing my brows. My brows aren't like horribly thin, they aren't horribly thick or anything like that. I think it'll just help, like I don't know, kind of like coat what you already have. So if you have like dark lashes, they probably have something else, but like I said, this is Cypher and it's pretty dark. It's on like the black side. And let me see, what else do we have? We had one more thing. Where'd it go? Here we go. The brow defining pencil. Love it. Y'all seen how good it looks. Like I said, I like natural lashes. I don't like, you know, like you feel me? I don't like them all the time. Like, yeah, it's cool. Like when you going out and you about to be out in the dark or something, it's cool to have some caterpillars up there. But for an everyday thing, I don't feel like doing that. I just feel like if you want a more natural look, just get you a little wax pencil. And I feel like that did the job. Like I keep looking at them and everything. So yeah, that was my review on August box of BoxyCharm. If you stayed this long, go on and subscribe to the channel. I know y'all seen it popping up multiple times throughout the video, and I'll put like a playlist of like the BoxyCharms somewhere over here, maybe, or over here, I don't know, wherever I put it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We are on the road to 5K, so if you like this type of content, definitely leave it in the comments below. All right, until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Deuces.